Welcome to this technical guide on the KitchenAid Artisan. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your KitchenAid Artisan isn't mixing properly, you might notice that the ingredients aren't blending as they should, or perhaps the mixer is struggling to turn at all. This can be due to a faulty clutch, which engages the mixing mechanism. If left unchecked, it can lead to further damage and potentially costly repairs down the line. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement clutch, and a pair of pliers. Begin by ensuring your KitchenAid is unplugged for safety. To open the unit, locate the screws at the base of the mixer. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top of the mixer away from the base, taking care not to damage any wires. Inside, you'll see the clutch assembly. The faulty component is typically located near the motor. It should be easily identifiable as it doesn't engage properly. To extract the clutch, you may need to disconnect a few wires. Make a note of how they connect, or take a picture for reference. Once the wires are disconnected, use your pliers to remove the clutch from its housing. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as it can damage nearby components. Now, take your new clutch and insert it into the same position, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the wires as per your earlier notes or photo. Once everything is back in place, carefully reattach the top of the mixer, aligning it with the base, and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, plug in your KitchenAid and check that it operates correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure you're not overloading your mixer with ingredients and regularly check the clutch for wear and tear. Regular maintenance can go a long way in prolonging the life of your KitchenAid. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.